I saw this recipe on the internet the other day and I thought it sounded pretty interesting. And my son said he would actually try it. It's 7 can soup. So you need 1 can of black beans, 1 can of pinto beans, 1 can of petite tomatoes diced, 1 can sweet corn, 1 can of chicken breast, 1 can of enchilada sauce, and chicken broth, and a packet of taco seasoning. So you figured it all out, and it's only $12.44 to buy all of this. So that's pretty good. That's like $2.50 a serving. So we'll throw it in 15 ounces of black beans. And I opened them and drained them so that we wouldn't have to stand here and do that. Black beans, 15 ounces. And then we have pinto beans, drained, thrown in. It looks like it's going to feed a lot more than 5 servings. And then corn. You know, you should take the juice out of the corn too, I think. So 1, 2, 3. And then the tomatoes. And then the chicken breast. I used, even though it's a pull tab, I still use the can opener because it doesn't make a sharp edge. And then you flake the chicken breast a little bit. Throw that in there. And then you throw in the green enchilada sauce. I don't know if I've ever had this before. It smells interesting. Somebody said to them it sounded like tortilla soup. I haven't had either. This can I open with a regular can opener. I don't know why. Just to show you how sharp it is. You have to wash the top and everything. Okay, and then half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of cumin. These will go in the Tupperware containers when I'm done. I just bought them. That's close enough. And then half a teaspoon of chili powder. And then a taco seasoning packet. So they all go inside. And then you mix it. You mix it with a simple spoon. It looks interesting. We'll see how it tastes. But I'm going to put it in the microwave for 20 minutes instead of the 30 or 40. And now that it's mixed, it's hard to tilt it too much. But can you see the soup? It's hard to tilt it a lot because it'll come out. But then you put that on, the top on. You match up the sides. And you close it, and then you lock this down 20 minutes. And then I'll be back, and we'll see what it looks like and what it tastes like. Although you guys can't taste it, I'll let you know. All right, thank you. Hi. Hi. We're back, I think. Oh. The pressure cooker is done. This little relief valve went down, so it's safe to open it. It's hot. So always open it with the steam away from you. And then it smells really good. You see it? It's really good. I think you could do it without the chicken if you wanted to make a vegetarian soup and just use all these beans. And the other thing is I always have leftover rotisserie chicken. So you could use that instead of the canned chicken. Well, that's it, guys. A nice hearty meal. It's been on the colder side here for Hawaii. It's been getting down to like 60s, 70s. That's cold. So, can you see? That's the soup. I hope you can see it. I should have brought the ladle, but oh well. Okay. We will test it and let you know. I'm sure it tastes awesome. So thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, TikTok, everything that I have. Thank you.